Welcome to a new video. I left you last time at my campsite. I just arrived in the Alps at my campsite. I've had a shower and now I'm going to head up to Sept Laux ski resort to work out and get my ski pass and ski hire, and then hopefully go skiing. So yeah, I think it's only about 5-minute drive, 10-minute drive up there. So yeah. But what a beautiful spot. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's the snow-capped mountains are up there. Managed to do it. Got my ski pass, hired some boots, helmet, poles and skis. Just gonna find my feet, go on the green runs, practice runs. Yes guys, I'm on the ski lift as you can see. I've been up and down for a couple of hours just getting used to it. My first go went on the green run and then accidentally took a turn onto a red run, fell over, proceeded to walk down the red run, but it's all good. I think it's just about confidence really, and being comfortable with going a bit faster when you try and slow yourself down, and then I'd end up just leaning back. I think I've fallen over 3 or 4 times, and one of those times was on the, not the ski lift, the other little one that you sit on and pulls you along. But yeah, really enjoying it so far. It's brilliant. It's absolutely stunning here. I'll show you a little bit more. What can you see behind me? Look at that. It's really quiet as well. I guess it's because it's the end of the season, which is brilliant for me because it means there's less people, you know, for practicing and kind of learning. But we're about to come up to the top of the ski lift, so I'll show you the view real quick. Look at those big guys up there. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to attempt a blue run. So I've got about an hour's more skiing until it closes, I think. I've just been doing the same blue run, just kind of over and over. Done it about 5 times now. Just getting nice and comfortable with that blue run. And there is another blue run which leads over to the other side of the resort, which I have to get a ski lift. It looks a bit complicated. So I'm going to leave that for tomorrow. Just for the last hour I'm just going to keep going round on this blue run and just get more and more practice in. But I'm absolutely loving it. I'm getting a bit more controlled now with my speed and direction of where I want to go. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Merci. Merci.
Good luck.
Ow. Ah, first big fall. It did whack my head a little bit. That's why you wear a helmet, kids. Sit rep. I think I've broken the ski. Oh no, that's meant to be like that. Update. Skis are okay, and I'm okay. Oh, you bastard. Come on, little guy. There we go. Oh, I'm going backwards. I'm in. Oh, fuck. Ah, dear. Okay. Ooh. Just had a bit of a fall, but fine. It's weird, like you get your confidence up, you think, yeah, I'm going good, and you get quicker and quicker, and then bosh, you're on the deck, back down to earth. I'm still shit at skiing, but that's all part of it. You've got to challenge yourself to get, so you can get knocked down, and then you can do the harder stuff. So I don't mind it, it's all part of it. It was good fun, and I'm alright, so that's the main thing. And also the French people are lovely. When you fall over, they just say ça va. Okay. Yeah, brilliant. So yeah, just gonna keep doing this blue run, the one that I just fell over on, but just keep doing it, get my confidence up. Right, so I'm back at the campsite now. I've been to the shop and got some food, picked up some bits, and then I've just been tidying up the van and sorting out my ski stuff. They've been kind enough to let me store my ski stuff just up at the campsite, so I don't have to keep it in my van. I've just got some dinner on the go, just a nice easy pasta, because I'm hungry and quite tired, so I don't want to do anything too difficult. I'm gonna have that, have a bit of a chill out, probably get an early night because I'm knackered from the skiing. Oh, nearly bored over, and the last couple of days travel, probably accumulation of driving quite a lot. But yeah, been a really good day. I've loved doing the skiing. The skiing was brilliant. I can't wait to watch this footage back of me skiing and falling over. But yeah, really looking forward to tomorrow. Get on that blue run again and then progress over to the longer blue run. So just tin tomatoes, pasta, bit of mayo, mixed herbs, salt, pepper, olive oil, and that's it really. But yeah, looks beautiful. Olive oil, oh, beautiful. So good morning from another sunny day in the Alps. Just going to have a coffee and get some breakfast on the go, and then I'm going to head over to do the slopes again and do some more skiing. Hopefully get on the old bigger blue run. So yeah, let's get this breakfast and coffee on the go, and then we're going to get going. But it's another lovely day. I want to try and ski a lot over the next few days because I think the weather's going to be better. And then in a couple of days' time, I think it's going to go a bit worse. Day 2 of skiing on the Alps. It's another stunning day. The sun's out, clear blue skies, absolutely beautiful. Just had one little go on the blue run. It came down much more controlled, so that's good. Getting a lot more comfortable, and because it's obviously the start of the day, the snow's a lot flatter, like it hasn't chopped up, which makes it so much smoother and makes it loads better. So I'm just going to do this blue run a few more times, and then I'm going to head to the other side of the resort, and there's another blue run that you can do, and it sweeps all the way around, so have a little explore and do that. Right, so I've come to the top of this ski lift and it is massive. Pizza, pizza. Pizza. Okay, so I'm on the ski lift up, which is Etterau, hopefully to the next blue run. Just going to check on my map. But this is so much colder up here. Didn't realise how high I was going. It's 2,100 metres tall. So yeah, madness. Need to do my jacket up, and I've got my gloves on now. But yeah, buzzing for this one. It's going to be good. Whoa! Holy smoke! Look at that view. Oh, oh, ow, ow. Merci. Merci. Thank you very much. Right, so I'm over the other side of the ski resort now. I've done that long blue run. It was quite difficult. I fell over twice, but it was okay. It's still enjoyable. I'm just going to keep going around a blue run over this side and then head over to back to the side where my van's parked and maybe do that same big blue run again. But yeah, it's a lovely day again. Absolutely stunning. Check all this out. I've just stopped for some lunch and taken my boots off because my feet are aching so much from the boots. But check this view out for lunch. Okay, so I'm about to do another blue run, the same blue run that I've just done before lunch. I'm going to do it again and then I'll probably head back over to the other side of the resort. But this ski lift, I don't think I showed you. Look at the view from there. Christmas trees. Those have got to be the biggest Christmas trees I've ever seen. They're huge. Nice and steady. Snow cloud. Nice and steady. Oh! Big snow cloud needed. Very, very fast. This is so bumpy. It's really difficult. Oh. Geez, that's steep. Okay. Nice and steady. Bloody hell, I wasn't even going that fast. Oh, that's cold on the old handies, that is. So I've just got back to the campsite about half an hour ago. Just chilling out, enjoying the last bits of sun for the day. And I've got some hummus, olives, crackers on the go. And I bought a local beer from the campsite, which is a blonde pale ale, and it is delicious. It's much nicer than the one that I had on Thursday, I think it was. But it don't get much better than this, does it? Little beer, hummus, olives, crackers, and that view. Oh, absolutely epic. For the last 2 days I've parked down here, just a bit of clouds, and it's just a little bit of a red run. Because